A YouTube web part in SharePoint is a tool that allows you to display YouTube videos directly on your SharePoint site. People use it for a variety of reasons, such as training videos, showcasing product demos, or promoting corporate events. By embedding YouTube videos within your SharePoint site, you can keep your audience engaged with your content while minimizing distractions that might otherwise lead them away from the site. This can help to increase engagement, drive traffic to your site. Additionally, YouTube Web Part is easy to configure and use, making it a popular choice for organizations looking to quickly add multimedia content to their SharePoint site. So let's add that. So we're going to go in here and add a web part. And we're going to scroll down to find YouTube. So now the YouTube web part is very similar to the embed web part in that it's asking for an embed code, but you can also just enter a YouTube link. And in the link, it will automatically embed it, find it, and put that in there. You can adjust the start time, show the player controls if you want, and privacy enhanced mode. You can add a caption at the bottom if you want to let your audience know what the video is about, but it's just inside here, and it's an embedding of that video for the users of the page to be able to access. And that is how you add a YouTube video with the YouTube web part to your SharePoint intranet site.